There's something wrong here. Something is coming our way. Great battle! He may be big, but remember, Spider-Man, he is not invincible. This one appears to be in charge. I believe that this one may be a bit of a challenge. Fear not, Spider-Man. Together we can best him. Well now, he certainly thinks he is impressive, doesn't he? That rather large one there. He is almost scary, isn't he? Quite a duel. En garde! May they cease to exist. Do away with this rabble. Spider-Man, be careful. Well, that took care of that. And stay down, you fiends. Fantastic fight. Let's go. Spider-Man, time to go. No time to delay. Excellent. It is opening. It seems we can move on. Our path is clear. Were you even fighting? I couldn't tell. Incredible. Wonderful. With my heightened senses, I can smell your fear. I am not concerned. I know I will win this fight with ease. I don't suppose I can convince you of your impending failure. How can I convince you of my superiority? Better luck next time.
We got 'em all.
Excellent teamwork.
All clear.
We are victorious once more.
Do you think it ruins the excitement with us always winning?
I should hope not. We are heroes after all.
Thank goodness that's over.
I could not agree more.
Man, it feels good to be a superhero.
I could not agree more.
I'm ready for a fruit pie.
Myself as well. Don't worry, I'm sure you'll win someday.
Look! Punching bags! With feet!
Yes, they are rather pleasant to smack around.
I suppose you're looking to pick a fight?
I would say that is a certainty.
I was wondering when I'd find more of you to fight.
Calm down, my friend. There's plenty for everybody.
This is what my life has come to. Fighting hologram monsters.
Chin up, Spider-Man. Remember that you're a hero. Oh, dear.
Wowee, he's large.
He seems rather angry.
Oh, I bet you're just a big old teddy bear, aren't you?
Looks like you need some practice.
Prepare to be webbed.
An excellent threat.
What a workout.
I'm exhausted.
Another bunch of bad guys down for the count.
And good riddance.
Looks like that's everybody.
Well done, Spider-Man. I do believe that we have company. Oh dear, it seems we have company. Fascinating. Are these friends of yours? If you're looking for a fight, then by Jove, you've found one. Oh dear, more of these things. Phantoms. Very, very irritating. Holograms. Most intriguing. There are more of them. Unprincipled ne'er-do-wells. Unscrupulous hoodlums. Show them no quarter. My, he is rather tall, isn't he? What a boorish-looking oaf. Let's teach him some manners. They've closed the gate. How rude. That gate is in our way. Well, this won't do. We need to get through there. They've closed it. The audacity. We really must open that.